Looking for a faster, easier, and more professional way to tackle your next painting project? Today, we're checking out some powerful paint sprayers designed to save time, reduce effort, and deliver smooth, even results on everything from furniture and cabinets to walls, fences, and decks. So, let's see what makes these tools worth adding to your DIY toolkit. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 10. Tilswall Paint Sprayer. Rating 4.6. If painting usually means dealing with brushes, rollers, and a lot of mess, this could make your next DIY project much easier. Meet the Tilswall Shark 600, a lightweight electric paint sprayer designed for smooth and even coverage with less effort. It's 47% lighter and 30% more compact than traditional paint sprayers, making it easier to handle and store, even in tight spaces. And there's no complicated setup. Just fill it, plug it in, and start spraying. You get 3 spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and circular, plus adjustable paint flow up to 1,200 milliliters per minute. With 3 interchangeable nozzles, you can tackle everything from detailed furniture projects to walls, cabinets, fences, and outdoor furniture. And when you're finished, cleanup is simple. The detachable parts can be rinsed under the tap, but remember to clean the sprayer within 15 minutes after use to help prevent clogging. So, if you're looking for a faster and easier way to tackle your next painting project, the Tilswall Shark 600 is definitely worth checking out. Number 9. AEROPRO Air Spray Gun. Rating 4.5. Looking for a paint sprayer that delivers a smooth finish without wasting a ton of paint? Meet the A610 LVLP spray gun, also known as the R500, designed for efficient spraying with less overspray and better control. Unlike traditional HVLP guns, this LVLP sprayer uses lower air volume and pressure while still producing a fine, consistent mist for a smooth, professional-looking finish. It can achieve up to a 65% paint utilization rate, with a spray width of up to 280 millimeters, helping you cover more area in less time. The 2-stage trigger is also a nice touch. The first stage helps clean dust, while the second stage starts painting, making the gun easier and more comfortable to operate. You get 3 interchangeable nozzle sizes: 1.3, 1.5, and 1.7 millimeters, so you can work with different coatings, from varnish to top coats. The stainless steel nozzle and needle are built for durability, while the corrosion-resistant 600 cubic centimeters PE cup makes cleanup easy. And the package includes the spray gun, 3 nozzle sets, regulator, connectors, wrench, air hose connector, and cleaning kit. For DIYers and serious projects alike, this LVLP spray gun offers impressive control, efficiency, and a smooth finish. Number 8. 1000W High Power Paint Sprayer. Rating 4.6. If you're planning a big painting project, this 1000-watt electric paint sprayer could save you a serious amount of time and effort. Powered by a high-speed 1000W motor, it produces a fine, atomized spray for smooth, even coverage without the brush marks you get from traditional painting. You can choose from 3 spray patterns: vertical, horizontal, or circular, depending on the surface you're working on. And it comes with 4 durable copper nozzles, ranging from 0.8 to 2.5 millimeters, giving you the flexibility to spray everything from thin stains to thicker latex paint. The adjustable flow control and spray width settings also let you fine-tune your coverage, helping reduce overspray and unnecessary paint waste. Whether you're painting cabinets, furniture, fences, or large exterior walls, you can easily adjust the spray to match the job. Cleanup is simple too. The spray gun comes apart without tools, and the included cleaning brush and needle help remove leftover paint from the nozzle and fluid path. Plus, the kit includes a large paint container, 4 copper tips, protective gloves, a viscosity cup, and funnel filters. So if you want a powerful, versatile, and beginner-friendly way to tackle your next DIY painting project, this 1000W paint sprayer is definitely worth a look. Number 7. WORKPRO 700W Airless Paint Sprayer. Rating 4.4. Tired of spending hours painting with brushes and rollers? This 700-watt airless paint sprayer could make your next project a whole lot faster. With up to 2,900 psi of pressure and a 0.317 GPM flow rate, it's designed to cover large areas quickly and efficiently. And because it uses true airless technology, there's no need to thin the paint first. It atomizes the paint directly, helping deliver smooth, even coverage with strong adhesion and fewer brush or roller marks. The adjustable pressure control lets you fine-tune the spray for different surfaces and paint types, giving you better control while helping reduce unnecessary paint waste. You also get a 25-foot abrasion-resistant high-pressure hose, giving you plenty of freedom to move around without constantly carrying the machine. Need to reach high walls or low areas? The included 12-inch extension rod can make those difficult spots much easier to handle. It's ideal for interior rooms, ceilings, exterior walls, decks, soffits, and more. And the kit includes safety goggles, a wrench set, and a cleaning kit for maintenance. So, if you're looking for a fast and powerful way to tackle your next home painting project, this airless paint sprayer is definitely worth checking out. Number 6. Graco Magnum Paint Sprayer. Rating 4.5. If you have several painting projects around the house, this airless paint sprayer could be a much faster alternative to brushes and rollers. Built with a durable metal design and made in the USA, it's ideal for projects up to 5 gallons, making it a practical choice for tackling multiple DIY jobs throughout the year. One of its biggest advantages is the fully adjustable pressure control. You can fine-tune the pressure to match different paints and stains and spray them unthinned for faster application. The flexible suction tube is another convenient feature. It lets you draw paint directly from either a 1-gallon or 5-gallon bucket, so you can spend less time refilling and more time painting. Need to reach a second story or the peak of your house? This system supports up to 50 feet of paint hose, giving you extended reach without sacrificing spraying performance. Whether you're refreshing walls, painting outdoor surfaces, or working on larger household projects, this sprayer is designed to help you get the job done faster and with less effort. For DIYers who want a convenient alternative to traditional brushes and rollers, this airless paint sprayer is a solid tool to have for your next home improvement project. Number 5. InoKraft Air Spray Gun. Rating 4.6. Want professional-looking paint results without being a professional painter? Meet the Drizzle D1 HVLP spray gun, designed to make spraying easier for DIYers while delivering smooth and even coverage. The body features clearly marked scales and labels, so you can quickly understand the settings and get spraying with less guesswork. And with the included quick start guide, manual, and helpful videos, getting started is simple. The D1 kit also comes with everything you need for your first project, including pressure regulators, oil-water separators, and commonly used nozzle sizes. When it comes to performance, the D1 delivers fine paint atomization and efficient transfer, helping you achieve a consistent finish while using paint more efficiently. It's a great option for automotive projects, furniture, home improvements, and other DIY painting jobs. And after you're finished, cleanup is easy. The one-piece forged aluminum body features a durable Teflon coating that improves wear resistance and helps make maintenance much simpler. So, if you're looking for an easy-to-use LVLP spray gun that combines professional-style results with DIY-friendly operation, the Drizzle D1 is definitely worth checking out. Number 4. Cordless Paint Sprayer Gun. Rating 4.8. Tired of dragging power cords around every time you start a painting project? This 650-watt cordless paint sprayer gives you the freedom to grab it and start spraying almost anywhere. Powered by a high-performance pure copper motor, it delivers spray output of up to 850 milliliters per minute and can cover up to 480 square feet in around 15 minutes. And because it's completely cordless, there are no outlets to hunt for and no cables getting in your way. You get two 4,000 milliamp hours batteries, with each battery providing around 25 minutes of continuous runtime. Swap them out to keep working on outdoor projects, rooftops, or larger rooms. The upgraded 1,400 milliliter paint container also means fewer refills, helping you keep your workflow moving. For versatility, it comes with 6 brass nozzles and 4 spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, circular, and diagonal, so you can adjust the sprayer for everything from furniture and cabinets to walls, fences, decks, and larger surfaces. The adjustable flow control and simple trigger make it beginner-friendly, while the included cleaning needle, brush, filters, funnel, and charger make maintenance easy. So if you want cordless freedom, solid coverage, and plenty of versatility for your next DIY project, this paint sprayer is definitely worth a look. Number 3. 1200W Cordless Paint Sprayer. Rating 4.6. If you're tired of dealing with power cords every time you paint, this cordless HVLP sprayer might be exactly what you need. The Pucator paint sprayer comes with two 20-volt rechargeable batteries, giving you the freedom to move around your home, yard, or outdoor workspace without being connected to an outlet. Under the hood, you get a powerful 1,200-watt motor with HVLP technology, designed to provide consistent paint flow and smooth, even coverage. It can handle paints and coatings up to 120 DINS in viscosity, making it useful for everything from furniture and cabinets to fences and walls. The 1,200 milliliter top fill container is also designed for convenience. Simply open the top and add more paint without removing the container, helping you spend less time refilling. And with 3 interchangeable copper nozzles, 1.0, 1.8, and 2.5 millimeters, you can adjust the spray for detailed work or larger surfaces. When you're finished, the detachable front section makes cleanup much easier. Just remove it, rinse away the paint, and use the included cleaning needle and brush for those harder-to-reach areas. It's also compatible with select Makita 18-volt batteries. So if you want cordless freedom, powerful performance, and versatile spraying for your next DIY project, this Pucator paint sprayer is definitely worth checking out. Number 2. 700W Electric HVLP Paint Sprayer. Rating 4.8. Looking for an easier way to tackle your next painting project? This 700-watt HVLP paint sprayer is designed to deliver smooth, consistent coverage while helping you get the job done with less effort. It features a large 1,200 milliliter detachable paint container, so you can spend more time spraying and less time stopping for refills. You also get 4 interchangeable nozzles, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, and 3.0 millimeters, along with 3 spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and circular. That means you can easily adjust the sprayer for everything from detailed furniture and cabinet work to fences, decks, walls, and other large surfaces. The adjustable flow control lets you fine-tune the paint output from 0 to 1,500 milliliters per minute, helping you control coverage and reduce overspray. It can also handle paint viscosities up to 120 DINS, while the 6.6-foot power cord gives you plenty of flexibility while working. One useful extra is the dust-blowing attachment, which helps remove dust and debris before you start spraying for a cleaner finish. So if you want smooth coverage without the hassle of traditional brushes and rollers, this HVLP paint sprayer is definitely worth checking out. Number 1. Paint sprayer for house painting. Rating 4.5. If you're looking for a faster way to handle your next painting project, this upgraded 1,300-watt paint sprayer is definitely worth a closer look. It features a powerful motor with an aluminum-wrapped copper design, delivering stable performance while helping you paint much faster than traditional brushes or rollers. The upgraded 1,300 milliliter container means fewer refills, and it can cover up to 50 square meters in about 15 minutes, making it a great option for walls, fences, furniture, and other indoor or outdoor projects. For better versatility, you get 5 brass nozzles in different sizes, ranging from 1.0 to 3.05 millimeters. Whether you're working on detailed furniture or larger surfaces, you can choose the nozzle that fits the job. The adjustable flow control can reach up to 1,300 milliliters per minute, giving you more control over how much paint you apply. And when the project is finished, cleanup is simple. The detachable design makes disassembly quick, while the included cleaning brush, needle, and filter papers help remove paint residue and reduce clogging. The kit also includes protective gloves, safety glasses, a dust-blowing joint, cleaning connector, and other useful accessories. So if you want powerful performance, flexible spraying, and a faster way to refresh your home or furniture, this 1300W paint sprayer could be a great addition to your DIY toolkit. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.